Hello, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to customize the player transfers filter in the SofaScore app on your Android phone. This feature lets you personalize your search by selecting leagues, transfer types, player age, followers, and positions. First, open the SofaScore app on your Android device. Next, tap on the Transfers section. Then, at the top of the screen, tap on the Filter option. Here, you can customize your filter settings. For example, add the leagues you want to follow. After that, choose whether you want to see all transfers, only incoming or only outgoing players. Next, drag the age slider to set the range, such as from 18 to 35 years old. Then, set the minimum number of followers for players. Finally, select the player positions you want to focus on. When you finish customizing, tap the Apply button to activate the filter. That's how you customize the Player Transfers filter in the SofaScore app on Android. Using these options helps you track the transfer activity that matters most to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.